Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I got these cards from AP Noodles. So we are going to do this in this video. So let's first do this. Okay, so here's numbers. In the first one we should put yellow. So let's take yellow color, and wherever is 1 we have to color it yellow. Okay, let's start. Okay, so next let's go to the second number. The second number we should put red. So let's take red. Yep, that's all. So let me keep this crayon here. Okay, so let's go to the next number, which is 3. So the 3 is colored in dark blue. So let's take dark blue. Okay, dark blue. Okay, here's Okay guys, so let's go to the next number, which is 4. 4 is in orange color. So let's take orange color. This is orange color. Okay. So let's go to the next number. The next number is 5. The 5, it is black. So let's take black. Okay. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Okay, let's go to the next number. The next number is number 6. The 6 is in dark green. So let's take dark green. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. So let's go to the next number. The next number is 7. So let's take brown color. Oh, and I forgot to color this. So let's take yellow. Okay, so this picture is done. Wow, this is like an ancient monkey. So for this, all we have to do is cut and we have to glue parts. And we can make this nice monster truck. Okay. So I got the scissors. So this is my monster truck and this is my picture. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. We will all see you in the next video. Bye.